Welcome to our Everlast Tech Support channel. Today we'll be helping you troubleshoot and test your MIG machine to determine what parts or steps are required to resolve your locked display issue. After completing each step in this video, please power on the unit and try to switch modes. Our first step, we'll want to decase your MIG machine and blow out any dirt, debris buildup behind or on top of any boards. Also, please be sure your MIG feeder compartment is free of any debris or cut off wire. For step 2, we're going to remove the ability to have weld power going to your MIG wire feeder. We'll either completely disconnect the jumper wire or completely remove the jumper bar. For step 3, we're going to check for any loose connections. To do this, we're going to push every wire into every connector that you see on the control boards. When you have the machine powered up, we'll also want you to check all the fans inside the unit. Some units will just have 2 at the back, and some will additionally have 2 farther forward in the machine. Please make sure that all 4 fans are running. If one fan does not turn, please follow those wires up to the control board and unplug that fan. For this step, we're going to show you how to test the current sensor and the different locations it can be tested at. This location on the top board will be common for Lightning and STI units, and this location will be common for MIG and MTS models. First, we'll start by measuring 15 volts DC between the black and red wire, and 15 volts between the black and blue. Next, we'll check for a DC voltage at the black and yellow. And we'll change your voltmeter to a millivolt setting and test again on the black and yellow. On some units like the DPI and 275 Lightning, it will be easier to test at the current sensor. And then we'll test again for 15 volts from the black to red wire, and 15 volts from the black to blue. And we'll test for a voltage on the black to yellow before switching to the millivolt reading. And we'll measure the millivolts on the black and yellow wire. For step 5, we'll unplug the current sensor to see if the display becomes unlocked. Please note, do not attempt to weld with the machine while this current sensor is disconnected. Testing of the control power board will only need to be performed if you are missing a 15 volt reading on your previous testing. Thank you for working with us today. We hope this video has helped you get the right parts to fix your issue.